Hello student, class 12 board examination is knocking your door. Today I am going to discuss the writing skill, that is the section B part in your question paper. You know there are four parts. Part A, that is comprehension or answering passage. Part B, that is section B, it is comprising of article writing and letter writing and application. 2 you have to write. Article is compulsory for you, and letter writing, either you have to write a letter to the editor of any newspaper or an application to the principal or an official letter to bank manager or electricity officer, hospital superintendent, etc. etc. So I hope you know the pattern of writing. Once again I am going to discuss it. Suppose article writing, 10 marks will be in article writing section B. Section B, 20 marks. In 20 marks, 1 will come article writing, marks, and another will be letter to the editor of any daily newspaper. Or a letter to the bank manager or any head of the office. It may be superintendent of the hospital, it may be the electricity officer, whoever it may be. Another will be application. Most common one, application writing, you have learned since your class 5-6. So application writing. Suppose write an application writing to your school principal or headmistress or master. Right? Once again, it is 10 marks. So 10 plus 10, 20 marks is given here. Now let me discuss about the matter how to write an article. Article writing will comprise of a title. Sorry. The title will be short but attractive, catchy, attractive title you should choose. Not more than 3-4 words. Don't make a lengthy one, long title. And after writing a title, you have to make a line immediate below the sentence. That is marking it or underline it in bold way. Next is you have to write who is writing the article. And in board exam, you should not write your own name. Anyhow, you should not give your own identity here. Write ABC, XYZ, this. If in your question no other name is mentioned. So remember, you should not write your own name. So after giving the title, you have to underline it. So suppose I am showing you. Okay. Article writing. First point is, suppose you are writing an article in the question paper, may be happen it is given what kind of family would you like, joint family or nuclear family, or you can say the joint family your view, right? Or it may be the aim of your life, what you are planning for your future, it should come in your this topic, aim of your life or the future plan of your life. Next, it may be a person whom you likes the most. A person, he or she may be an author, authoress, poet, film actor, writer or player, whatever, whoever you like most, who have inspired you somehow. He or she should be the great person in your life. Sometimes the great person like Swami Vivekananda, Shagar, Munshi Premchand, we can choose also such type of leaders, national leaders also. So your aim should be to write the article, the content precisely and to the point. So first suppose joint family. The given is joint family. So it is your, so we have to mark it in this bold way, right? After writing the article title, we have to make a bold writing by who is writing. We not write your name ABC or XY or ABC if the name is not given in your question paper. After that, there should be 3 different paragraphs, 1, 2 and 3. So in the first paragraph, second paragraph and third paragraph. In first paragraph, you have to develop the content. The word limit is given always 100 to 120 words. So you should keep in your mind these word limits. May few words increase or decrease with this word limits, but do not make it more lengthy or so short. Okay. So first paragraph will be content. Second paragraph will be the benefits or demerits. So merits and demerits. In one word, we can say the merits and demerits of this article. Then third paragraph, your view. Your views, suggestions, etc. Here in content, if possible, give some data. If possible, give some data. Just like, suppose in our country, how many people prefer joint family, how many of the people like nuclear family. So this is the data here. It is for the content. Then why they prefer it? Okay. Then what is the benefit or the merit and demerit of this joint family? You have to develop in second paragraph. Then third paragraph, your views. What kind of family do you like? So simply I have given here these points. You have to develop it. Better, I can assure you that your article will be the best one if before writing in your copy, right side, you write some points to develop, right? Suppose here is the paragraph I have shown you. So before writing it, in this side, you can make some points. Just I have discussed it. What is joint family? What is a nuclear family? Why people prefer joint family and why other people prefer nuclear family? Why nowadays there are increasement of these nuclear families, and what is the conditions they are now suffering or they are feeling well. It is person to person this varies. Okay. So these points you have to write down in this right side. It is called development of the points before writing the article. So this is the article writing. So similarly, you can go through others. Write down it first. Okay. Ten marks are divided here. How 10 marks are given? This 10 marks is divided in 3 parts. Okay. Content, then expression, then it is presentation. In expression, language. Number 1. Number 2 is language means grammatical mistakes, spelling mistake, use of idioms, proverbs. This comes in this language section. Okay. And another is in expression is handwriting. It is a very meaningful in my sense handwriting. Language, another is presentation, and is content. So this is the division of these 10 marks. Okay. Division of 10 marks. If you prepare yourself in this way, definitely you will get good marks. Out of 10 you can get 9 also even. So this is the 10 marks. Okay. Same thing happens in letter writing also. So write down this one first. Okay. Here I am giving you some practice worksheet. Okay. Worksheet or homework. Suppose it is nuclear family, joint family or nuclear family. Nuclear family. What did you like? Next number B, suppose India is a land of diverse beauties. Diverse beauty means different beauties. What are these beauties? These beauties are in national beauty, that is in nature, then in culture, language, then race, then education, everything, religion. So India is a country, what we say that there is even in diversity. So on this topic you have to express or explain it. Okay. Next number C is your in life. Then suppose the man you admire. Okay. Or suppose environmental pollution. Environmental pollution. Okay. Or this 5 enough. Another you have already practiced. Okay. So this is the solution for you. Now comes the letter writing. Now come to letter writing. Letter writing is letter to the editor. I am just showing you application you know very well. So letter writing is here. First of all, you have to write your address. The writer's address will be here. So the writer's address will be there. It will be very short, in 3 lines, simple. You shouldn't write your name. Give the street name. Suppose it is Lal Bagh, New Delhi. Right? Simple this one. Or if you want to give your house number also, 218 by 50A, Karel Bagh, Delhi. So this is the writer's address. After writer's address, we have to give one space. Then write the date of, suppose it is 17th of April. Okay. So 17th September, comma 2022. Look, 17 September, comma, then 2022. You could write it September 17, 2022. You could write it. So mistake is there. After this, give one small space. Do not make this space. Do not give these lines. Okay, I am showing you simply that you have to give one space here. So 17 after that, write the editor the Hindustan. Okay, this is the address. And look, one more thing here. This line should be same. You should not make it a zigzag. The line should be same. It is known as the International Method of Letter Writing, and it is granted for all kinds of board examinations, right? So, 20 this is. Now after this, once again we have in the space, they write the subject. So here you should write subject. And what is subject here? From the question you have to write the subject. After writing the subject, you have to mark it, underline it. After underlining, you have to start writing the letter. So first write down it. So I hope you have written it. Now there is no space, so let me erase this one. Okay. So after this subject, what to write? Now before sir, simple write down sir, then give a comma. Your margin was here. Remember this. Do not make it zigzag. Sir. Now there is a formality. Formal letter, that is formality should be there. Your beginning of the letter B. I would like to show my grievances. I would like to show my concern over these topics that will be given there. I would like to show my concern over the matter. So, then I would like to show my concern, CERN, over dash. Here means the subject, the topic, whatever will be given in your letter writing, you have to mention it with keywords here. Over this matter, okay, as dot. If you are facing some problem, then write down that we are facing some problem, or the whole country is facing the problem, then as the whole country is facing the problem, whatever will be given in your question paper, accordingly you have to choose it. The sentence from the question you can choose it. So this is the starting. So first paragraph, then it will be the second paragraph, okay? It will be the second paragraph. So content will be developed. It is the formality, okay? Formality beginning. Of a letter. Then second paragraph. Contain. The matter what we have given to you, content should be explained properly. Then in the third paragraph, your concern over the matter. With suggestion how to overcome this problem. If suggestion is compulsory for you, you can give the suggestion and you must give suggestion, and the matter will depend upon the government or the concerned authority whether he or she or they are going to accept it or not. And final fourth paragraph is fourth paragraph, requesting to publish your letter in the daily. This is the 4 paragraphs related to the letter writing, and these should be maintained properly, otherwise your number will be cut. So after that, what will be there? The final word will be after this same line, thanking you, comma, then give a blank space, yours truly. Do not write yours faithfully, because you are not an employee of this or employer. Okay, yours truly X, Y, Z. Do not write your own name. Once again I am telling you, just like an article, do not write your own name. X, Y, Z will be written there, or ABC. If in question paper no name is mentioned, so X, Y, Z. This is the coverage of your letter writing. But I hope you have got this one. Okay. Now my question comes here. Suppose the letter writing, just like article, I am going to give you 1 or 2. Write a letter to the editor of our national daily, expressing your views or concern over the increasing use of plastics, okay, or disposable devices. Same matter will come here for description or explanation. Made with the plastics, use of the plastics, or made with the disposable way, because we are using the plastic bags everywhere. We find plastics, but these plastics are not biodegradable, not perishable. It never perishes in the soil. It creates some difficulties for our earth. So what are the difficulties we are facing? Already we have faced, and in future what it may be, or what the utmost problem we could face in the near future. So this should be written here in this concern. Now how to overcome this? So I told you that contain. First you should write, I would like to show my concern over the matter of increasing use of plastics or disposable waste. Right? I will be happy if, or I will be pleased if you publish my letter in your daily newspaper, so that the concerned people or the people in majority in the society could able to understand what they are doing and how to overcome from this problem. After this second paragraph, in second paragraph you discuss the matter why we should not use plastics. Here once again points will come. Some points are here. Plastics are non biodegradable. Those who are the science students, they can write down beautifully. Non biodegradable. Next point is not perishable. Perishable. Then creates waterlogging in drains. If we throw it in the drains, then they create the waterlogging. And if the drains are full filled, they just create damage to the area also, because the bats will come with which could not be clean. Okay, this is the points you have to write on here in the second paragraph. Then what happened? In third paragraph, we have to develop what we can do. So we can recycle the plastics. Even if we recycle, the carbon monoxide will emit, and that will damage our environment and pollute our environment. So better to use the jute bags or the cotton bags, okay, or paper bags. If you say paper bag, then one more question may rise here, that the trees will be cut down, so deforestation will be there. So no need to say this one. Simply say that jute bags can be used in place of the plastic bags. And what problems are faced here, demerits are here. Look, due to these plastic bags, the cottage industry of jute bags and others, they are already been damaged. We do not find any cottage industry who are producing these jute bags. Okay. Mostly we prefer this plastics. And it is the true fact that if plastic industry will be closed or shut down, then a great loss in economy will face by the government. It is also a fact. So all these things you can discuss here in this suggestion. And finally, once again request that, sir, I will be happy, or it will be your greatness to publish my letter in your daily article, so that through your article or through my articles, I can aware the people regarding the matter, so that they can be aware, because until the public will aware, we cannot solve the matter properly. After that, your study, then XYZ, right? So this is the point here. Next, number 2 is, once again write a letter to the editor of the newspaper, and what it may be will be once again a letter to the editor newspaper about illegal encroachment. What is the meaning of encroachment? Encroachment means forcefully occupation of the roadside areas or any other vacant places. The people, those who are coming from the village areas, rural areas, or those who have been migrated from other countries, other states, they come and they just start their business or their small cottage-like houses on the roadside or the park side or any empty field. Okay, this is called encroachment. This encroachment is illegal because they are not permitted by the government or the local government also. So what the problem we are facing, suppose on the roadside the encroachment is there, then what we face? We face traffic jam. Already our roads are fully traffic jam already. Okay, so people face traffic jam. The pedestrians means those who walk on foot. So the pedestrians face problem, and from this problem there is no other way. Simply you have to stay there. So it is the loss of time, waste of time, right? Suppose you are going to school, due to this encroachment of this illegal person, what we face? We face delayed going to our school, and for this we have been scolded by our teacher or principal. Similarly, the ambulance also gets stuck sometimes. Other people also get sometimes struck. Okay, so these are the problems we have to discuss here. So illegal encroachment on roadside. Next we see, suppose once again a letter to the editor about the bad condition we face this bad condition of this road. Some roads are broken, some roads are patched, some roads are being occupied by the illegal persons. All these are the condition which comes under bad condition of the road. Due to this bad condition of the road, mostly we suffer during our office time, the school goers, office goers, they face problem. Then in some areas, some garbages are put stuck there. Due to this, bad smell comes out. So it is another problem, bad condition. The municipal pick bands are not coming regularly. This is a point. So just like the first letter, I have shown you that you can make some points before expressing or explaining your letter. It is better idea, better way to write down. What happened in this way, if you make some points before writing, then the examiner also would have a picture about your views. And if you would not write it properly, grammatically correct way, then also you could get good marks. Okay, so better way, I would advise always that make the points in your right side of your copy, make a spacious margin here, and then express your letter writing. So this is the bad condition of roads. Okay. And in this way, there are many other letters. I hope you have practiced in way. Suppose for your school principal, what you can write? Like write an application to your principal or your headmistress, requesting him or her to arrange good books and magazine in your school library. Good books and magazine in your school library. One more thing, so here you should mention some books name, magazines name, so that the principal or the headmistress can arrange the books. It is not so that ma'am or sir, there are dearth of want of books, no good books are there, so provide some good books. No, you cannot get good marks here. You have to mention the name of some books, magazines also, right? So mention this. If you properly maintain your writing, full marks will be given to you. Another, suppose you want free studentship, so write letter to the headmistress or headmaster or principal requesting him to make or to give you free studentship or half scholarship. Okay. So then what to write down? You should show that your father is not able to bear this high expense for education. You have lost your mother or your father. Okay, only one parent you have. So you cannot bear this expense. If the school authority will bear this half studentship, then you can continue your education. So this should be written. And when you write it, mention I, not you, because you are writing the letter. Next is for application. Suppose you have taken leave. So you have to now make an appeal to grant the leave. So whenever this kind of letter comes, you should write to the principal, the school's name. Your old school name should not be written in your question paper. Remember it. I am always telling you, give the fictitious name of any school or XY school. Then write down through the class teacher, because through the class you are handing over the application to the class teacher. Class teacher is submitting to the principal for granting. Okay. So through the class teacher. The subject is grant of leave of 4, 5 days, 15 days. Okay. In this way you have to write. Simple letter. Do not just write many more things. Already you have taken leave, so your writing should be in the past tense. If you want to take leave beforehand, then it will be in the future tense and present tense. And if already you have taken leave and now you want to get grant of it, then use the past tense only. Okay. So this is the writing skill in your B section. So get prepared properly. You have a less time in your hand. Best of luck. Thank you.